Yes, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. Okay, let them enter. After that, I will speak to you. 17 only came. Who is this? Effins? Oh, mask is there. One photo is kept instead of his. All of you switch on the videos, children. Switch on your videos. Only 17 students came. They don't want to study after the exam. Huh?
Good afternoon.
After the exam, nothing, nobody will come. For the exam, whoever is absent will come. Till today, whoever was absent came for exam. Huh? Okay. See, only 19 students. Tired after exam. No? Who is this Abhinath? He is not there in this class. Okay, children, how was the test? How was the exam? Easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Huh?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Only except a very few. All of you got better marks than last time. You have studied well, revised well. Okay. So, good. Keep it up. So study well, attend the classes more. Okay. Remedial classes as well as the original classes you have to attend. And for regular follow-up should be there. Write the notes regularly. Then you can get good marks in all the exams. Okay. So children, we shall be start with the next chapter. Next chapter we have already started. Huh? That is exponents and powers. Exponent powers and exponents. We started, no? Last time we started, and also we covered one topic, that is how to express the numbers in powers of prime factors, isn't it? For example, it was like this. Uh, Board is not taken. Okay. Can you see the board? No. You have to share it. Okay, I'll share. Now you will be able to see the board. Okay. Okay, children. So now I will. Can you see the board now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we were discussing, suppose for example, how to express numbers in the form of powers of prime numbers. Like for example, 32. How you used to express 32 in the as power of a prime factor. We divide 32 by 2, isn't it? 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. Isn't it? Prime factorization. We do prime factorization and we write 32 is equal to, in the exponential form, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 raised to 5. Isn't it? We studied in the last class like this, expressing a number in the form of its prime factors or in the exponential form. Okay. Now, next topic is, see this, laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. Okay, let us see what are these laws of exponents. This is very important lesson which the continuation is there in all the classes. Wherever you go to study mathematics, The continuation of this is there, and the basic is very important. You have to understand and learn it thoroughly. This topic is very much important. Okay. So laws of exponents. This exponents have certain rules. 6 rules you are studying now. 6 laws. Okay. First one is a raised to m into a raised to n equals a raised to m plus n. What is that? Base is same. You know what is base? Base is the letter which we write down and it is raised to the power of m. This is base and this is exponent. What is written on the top is known as exponent, isn't it? Base and exponent. Now, see the peculiarity of that bases are same, isn't it? Bases are same. Bases are same. See, A. Here also A. The bases are same. Bases are same. Now, exponents are different. Multiplication. A raised to m into a raised to n equals a raised to m plus n. So, example, I'll give you the example. 2 raised to 5 into, same, bases should be same, 2 raised to 3. Answer will be 2 raised to 5 plus 3. That is, answer is 2 raised to 8. Okay, this is the calculation coming over there. So, if the bases are same, you can bases are same, you can add the exponents. So 2 raised to 5 plus 3, 2 raised to 8. Now we'll do some problems of that. That is here. What will be 4 raised to 3 into 4 square? What is the answer?
4
4
raised to
raised to 3 plus 2.
2 is
3
equal to
plus
4
2.
raised to 5.
Answer is 4 raised to 5. Okay,
4.
4 raised to 5. Next one is 5 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 7 into 5 raised to 12. Answer is
5 raised to
5 raised to 3
5 raised to
plus
3
7 plus
plus
12 is equal to 5 raised
7.
to 22.
plus 20.
5 raised to
5 raised to
22.
22.
Okay. Next one is this minus 4 raised to 100 into minus 4 raised to 2. So what is it? Minus 4 is a base, constant. Okay, you have to take it as a base. Negative 4. So what answer will be? Negative 4 raised to 102. 100 plus 2, 102. Okay. Is it clear, children? What is the rule? A raised to m into a raised to n. That is, a is the base. M and n are exponents. So, a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. You have to add the exponents when bases are multiplied. Base should be same, provided base should be same. Okay, this is the first rule. Now, we pass on to the second rule. Is it thorough? A raised to m into a raised to n. You have to see the peculiarity that the bases are same. Exponents are different in this. Okay, and multiplication is the sign. Now, next one, you have to study 6 exponents rule. Then don't forget the other one. When you study one, you'll forget the other one, means you cannot understand. Next one, it is a raised to m divided by a raised to n. Same way, Same way, base is same. The exponents are different. So that is equal to a raised to m minus n. A raised to m minus n. Okay. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Example, 2 raised to 9. 2 raised to 9 divided by 2 raised to 3. Answer is 2 raised to 9 minus 3. That is 2 raised to 6.
To 6.
Okay. And see again, 7 raised to 13 divided by 7 raised to 10. Answer is 7 raised to 13 minus 10.
13 minus
Answer is 7 cubed.
7 raised.
Then 10 raised to 8 divided by 10 raised to 4. Answer is 10 raised to 8 minus 4. Answer is 10 raised to 4. Okay, like that for division, this is the rule. What is that? A raised to m divided by a raised to n equals a raised to m minus n. Okay. Next rule is this a raised to m the whole raised to n. Okay, a raised to m the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. A raised to m the whole raised to n equals a raised to m into n. A is the base, m is the exponent, and it is given like that. For example, 6 square whole raised to 4. You have to read it like that. 6 square, the whole raised to 4 is equal to 6 raised to 2 into 4. That is 6 raised to 8. 6 raised to 8. 2 square raised to 100. 2 square raised to 100. What is it? Find out the answers. Yes. Mm.
2 raised to 2 into 100. So 2
Yes. 2 raised to 2 into 100. Answer is 2 raised to 200.
200.
This one, 7 raised to 50 into
50 into 2.
7 raised to
7
100.
is 100.
Here it is 5 raised to 3 into 7. That is
Equals to 5 raised to
5 raised to 21.
21. Okay. So this is that rule. A raised to m, the whole raised to n. You have to read it like that. You should not say you don't know how to read it. A raised to m, the whole. Okay, the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. Next one. Now next one you see, bases are different. Bases are different. A raised to m into b raised to m. Exponents are same, bases are different. This one, you see the difference? The bases are different. Exponents are same. That is the difference. Okay. First one, bases were same, exponents were different. Here, bases are different, exponents are same. So you can bring it under the same exponent. Okay, that is it. So A into B, the whole raised to m, can be written as AB raised to m. Okay. Okay, so A raised to m into B raised to m, that is equal to AB raised to m. Okay, here the bases are different, exponents are same. So let us see some examples related to it. 4 cube into 2 cube. See this, 4 cube into 2 cube. Here you see exponent bases are different, isn't it? Bases are different. Look, bases are different. Exponents are same. Answer is 4 into 2 is 8. We can write it 4 into 2 cube. That is 8 cube. Answer. So this is that rule. If bases are different and exponents are same, you can multiply the bases and write it under the same exponent. That is the meaning. So next question, 2 raised to 5 and b raised to 5. 2 raised to 5 into b raised to 5. Answer is 2b raised to 5. 5 square, 5 raised to 6 into negative 2 raised to 6 is equal to 5 into negative 2, the whole raised to 6. That is what? Negative 10 raised to 6. Negative 2 raised to 4 into negative 3 raised to 4. What is the answer? What will be the answer? Okay, negative 6 raised to 4. Okay. So this is that rule. What is that? A raised to m into b raised to m.
Ma'am,
Bases are
6
different.
raised to 4, right?
6 raised to 4, negative 6, positive 6 raised to 4, sorry. Negative into negative is positive. Positive 6 raised to 4. Okay. Now, next one. Next rule. 6 rules are there. Okay. This one is how much? It is 4, I think. 6 rules are there. So next rule is a raised to m divided by b raised to m. Here also bases are different, exponents are same. So what will you get? Answer is a raised to a by b, the whole raised to m. You can write it as a by b, the whole raised to m. So if 4 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to 5. If it is, the question is like this, you can write it as 4 by 3, the whole raised to 5. Okay. The next 5 raised to 6. 5 raised to 6 divided by 2 raised to negative 2 raised to 6. You can write it as negative 5 by 2, the whole raised to 6. Again, 25 raised to 6 divided by 5 raised to 6. Here, you can write it as 25 by 5, the whole raised to 6. And you can cancel inside. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. So we can take it as 5 raised to 6 as the final answer. Okay. Again, if you can take 81 raised to 2 divided by 9 raised to 2. 81 raised to 2 divided by 9 raised to 2. So 81 by 9, the whole raised to 2. So what you will get? 9 into
9.
9 into 9, you can cancel it. 9 nines are 81. So 9 square, you will get the answer as 9 square. And you can write it as 81. 9 into 9 is 81, final answer. Like that. So that is the rule. What is the rule? A raised to m divided by b raised to m. That is equal to a by b, the whole raised to m. Clear? If bases are different and exponents are same, you can write it under one exponent. Okay, that is it. Then Alvin and Ish is in. Next question, next rule is this one. You can see here it is given. Mm, Now last rule is a raised to simply, you can write it as for any non-zero integers. So a raised to 0, a raised to 0 is equal to 1. That is the last rule. What is it? A raised to 0 equals 1. A raised to 0, so x raised to 0 can be 1. Any number raised to 0, value is 1. Any number is raised to 0, value is 1. Okay, so that is the last rule. So let us revise what all rules we studied now. Okay, first one was a raised to m into a raised to n. That is equal to a raised to m plus n. Next was second one, a raised to m divided by a raised to n. It is equal to a raised to m minus n. Next one, 3 a raised to m the whole raised to n. That is equal to a raised to m into n. That is a raised to mn. Next, fourth one, it was a raised to m into b raised to m. That is equal to a into b the whole raised to m. That is ab raised to m. Next one, fifth one, you have to all have to study this by heart. Okay, it should be clear to you all should learn it by heart. You should know where to apply. Any question given, the no intimation will be given. This rule you apply. You have to select the rule and apply. So every rule should be by heart. So a raised to m into b raised to m is equal to a into b the whole raised to m, ab raised to m. Next one is a raised to m divided by b raised to m. That is equal to a by b the whole raised to m. Next one, sixth one you studied is a raised to 0 is equal to 1. So this many rules you have to be thorough with by heart. Okay, no doubt it should be thorough. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand or do the problems. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So study well all these rules. Now, in the next class, I'll be asking you the rules. Not one by one, you have to say. When I ask the together, you have to say all the 6 rules. Clear? All the 6 rules you have to say together. Okay, so let me take attendance. Anyway, you are all tired by learning for exam. So I'll be leaving you 5 minutes early. Okay, so let us take the uh, attendance.
Attendance.
Okay. How many are there today? 21 only? See, after exam, nobody wants the class. So they should understand next exam also they have to write, no? Okay. So exam.
My next exam will be pen and paper.
That I'll tell you later. 17th. Okay, 6, 7C attendance. Okay, children. Adi Lakshmi is absent. Aaron Relix is present. Aaron is present. No.
Does Adilakshmi take TC?
Huh? Which one?
Does Adilakshmi take TC?
No. Adi Lakshmi called just now in between the period. She called. She asked to give the link and all. So she can't get. She have some problem with the issue with the network issue she have, and so she's asking for the notes, everything. Exam also she was asking about revision exams, and now she will write the test.
Okay, ma'am.
She is studying every day. Afrin Shamir, absent? No. After exam, everybody is absent. Ahmad Afridi, you are here? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Idihya T. Binoy, I don't know from where. For exam, she appeared. She appeared for exam. Okay, now absent. Agash P. Unikrishnan,
Present, ma'am.
Alvin Sibi. Alvin is present? No. Alvin Anish? Yes.
Present, ma'am.
Amrita C. Kumar is present. Anna Binu? Anna is present? No. For exam, she was there. Okay. Ashwin P. Sunil? Absent?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, good. Aisha Hida is present now? Aisha Hida? No, absent. Baja is present. Dio is absent. Effins?
Present, ma'am.
Very good. Ehan Benish, absent. Emmanuel?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Gauri Priya? Why you are laughing? All of you are laughing. Anything? Chat is on.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
is this camera new?
Which camera new? My camera.
This camera, ma'am's camera.
This one is a very good board. Board 5. New one. New board it is. Why?
Or before this board had some problem.
This board have no problem. Other boards are
Board
having.
7 problem now. Board
Yes?
7 full problem now.
Board
Board
7,
7.
no problem now. Now it is okay.
Okay.
Now it is cleared. Gauri Priya MV is absent. Okay. Gobika C. Kumar present. Gobika RM is present. Absent. Gobika Shankar present. Gautam Krishna very rarely appears. Absent. Hashir Salil. Hashir is there. Hashir, did you write anything? Hashir, how many marks you got?
17.
Oh, very good. Because you sit simply in the class.
Keep it up.
Keep it up. Very good. Don't say up. Keep it up. Hashir Salil is there. Okay. Hiba Fatima. Hiba terribly lost her marks. Jonal, what happened, Jonal? Jonal, what happened for exam?
Ma'am, I didn't get time to complete every questions.
Oh, time was enough. I think network issue you had, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Karthik Vinod? Karthik? No, absent. Mohammad Hishan is there? Absent. Nakul PS is present, no? She is present. Nazrin Fatima? Nazrin? Absent. Only for exam, some people will come. Nihan Salim?
For,
Okay.
for so simply getting marks only they are coming.
Niva Sadish? Niva absent. Niva Sadish was there for test, no? Exam?
No, ma'am.
No, I have to check the result. Nooral Haya, yes. Parvati C. Kumar, yes. Okay, Renown Jijo,
Present.
okay. Shahaban K, absent. Shahan Nasser, absent. Sneha Soni is present. Suraja, present. Suraja is present, yes. Shreya Menon is present. Wasim VR,
Present, ma'am.
present. See, children, attend the classes every day, okay? Otherwise, you will find it very difficult. It will be becoming very difficult if you don't attend the classes. You will not be regular. And write the notes every day. Keep the notes properly, whatever I'm giving. I have uploaded the notes in website, but still everything, whatever we do in class will not be there. Okay. Only some important problems I'll be uploading in the website. All the problems, we are doing lot of problems in the class.
I am not writing with website. I will only write in WhatsApp notes.
WhatsApp notes is okay. Plus regular class you have to attend and write the notes.
I am attending.
Good. So, okay, children. So let us wind up. See you next class. You have a project also. I'll speak about it. Project. You have to do a project and come after your vacation.
Ma'am, art integrated project.
Yes, art integrated project itself. Combined together,
No,
all
what?
the subjects we combine together and
What's this
we have to.
Why the CBS is giving
Last
us this
day-
much tough?
Last
this-
day you will get. EVS also will be there. English, Maths and social studies.
Last our art integrated project.
Which subject you
They
got that?
are making our brains.
Work. That is it. Huh? So children, which subject you got art integrated project?
Nothing we got to.
Now you will get last day, that is Wednesday, we will give you the projects. Okay. So after that, when you come, you have to write it and come. Thank you all.